Okay, so if I ask you what's the benefit of making video, what will be your answer? Okay, so if I explain this from my side, first of all, when you making a video, then you are in touch to speak in English, practice in English. And secondly, when you finish the video, if you watch this video again and again, then you are able to find your mistake. And when you find your mistake, then you are able to learn the right thing. So it's very much important to make videos, and if you find your mistake and overcome this, then your improvement will go high day after day when you do this thing. So it's very important to practice regularly, make videos. No matter if you think that people will think you as a mad when you making video, it's completely your mistake. You need to practice regularly. You don't need to take care about what other people say about you. You just need to do your own work, and you know whatever you're doing, and what you're doing is not good. If you want to improve in your English, practice is very important. If you think that if you practice in public place, then people will think you are mad, you need to go mental hospital, then it's your mistake, not there. They will think, but you just need to don't care about this. You just need to do your work properly, and after if you do this your work properly, then you have a chance to improve in your English. Nowadays I am trying to make video in public place. You may see that one in my behind. There is a lot of cars moving, lot of people also roaming here, but I don't care what people think about me or what they will say. I will don't care if someone come and say that I'm mental, I need to go mental hospital, because I know what I'm doing, and whatever what I'm doing, it's not bad. It's a skill. Learning English is a skill. Not everyone able to learn English. A lot of people can make videos, but in Bangla, not English. So if you make video in English, then you have to be feel proud. Okay, so yeah, for a moment you can feel proud, and I'm also feel proud when I speak in English. So yeah, I have a problem that I cannot speak in front of people. So that is why nowadays in early in the morning I come and try to speak with some people, in front of some people. That will helps me to learn English, and I will try to overcome this mistake that I have this problem, so that is why. So okay, so yeah, that's the point. So I have a question to you. What will be your answer if I ask you this question? What's the benefit of making video? If you know this question's answer and what will be your answer, let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching. All the very best.